You searched how to buy shares of Granite Ridge Resources Inc. Granite Ridge Resources Inc. is a mineral exploration and resource development company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GRNT, and this video is educational and not financial advice. To buy any stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GRNT to find the listing, then locate the entry that matches Granite Ridge Resources Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to read the basic company overview and view the price chart. Then confirm the ticker is GRNT to verify this is the correct stock before proceeding. Click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details carefully, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio, and if you want to try this example, the link to eToro is in the description.